Alright, so Microsoft just released a new update to Copilot Shopping, and you can not only find some great deals and great products using this tool, but also it is possible to purchase the item directly on the platform. And in my opinion, the shopping feature in Copilot seems to be more elaborate and complete than ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. And not to mention, there are some tiny features that I do really like, and it makes the shopping experience to be a lot better on this platform. So let me show you how you can utilize Microsoft Copilot Shopping to find products and purchase items directly on the platform. So here I'm going to be using the desktop web version of Copilot, but of course you can also use the app version of this platform. Now, before we continue, I think it is important to know that right now, when I'm recording this video, the shopping feature is only available in the USA. So if you're not in the country, then I guess you can use a VPN service, although when it comes to shipping the product, a lot of stores are only shipping to the US market. So I don't really think you can enjoy the fullness of the feature, but I guess you can still just looking around and maybe get some general overview of this feature. Anyway, let's continue. And here, let's say I want to find a GPU for my computer, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Hey, I'm in the market for buying a new GPU, and I prefer something that is new from NVIDIA. I want a GPU with at least 16 gigabytes of video memory, and also my consideration is for gaming, but most importantly for running local large language models. Can you give me some names that I could consider? So just wait for it. Okay, let me just double check my I want to proofreading. Okay, I think everything looks great. Now, there is no feature that you have to enable. There is no shopping feature that you have to click when you are starting a chat. You can just explicitly mention that you want to buy something, and you are, or maybe you're looking to research a product. AI should understand that, so when you're sending the message, Copilot will look into that and will call the appropriate tool, which in this case the shopping tool, immediately when it is relevant. Now at the moment, it is only doing a research. It is not going to show me, most likely not going to show me a product card. Sometimes it does, but most of the times when you just want to purchase, you're not actually logged in to purchase an item, you're still in the research stage. Copilot will just give you a typical answer from AI. It's just giving you some names. Okay, there you go. I don't see any product cards, which is good. Now, oh, there you go. There is a product card apparently. Okay, so there is the product name, and also there is the product card. Sometimes you'll see this, sometimes it's not going to show you, depending on maybe, I guess, how AI feel about whether or not you want to purchase the item immediately or maybe later after you finish the research. But anyway, basically this is what the shopping feature look like. And now there is also the buy button right here. So before we click that, let's click the details button. And right here, you can see the details about the product. And also one feature that I do really like is this tracking feature. It is not available in Perplexity or ChatGPT as far as I know. So when you click on that button, that item, this particular product, will be tracked by Copilot, and you can see the tracking right here in the shopping menu. There you go. So this is the item. So it's nice because now we can actually get an update about the price of the product that we are trying to purchase. Now, I don't think this is a legitimate seller because this is just $60, which is just doesn't make any sense. But anyway, that's the basic idea of this feature. Now, what if you click the buy button? Well, there are two things that could happen. In this particular example, this shop will force you to buy directly from the website. There is this icon indicating that this is an external website. If you click it, then you can only buy that via the website, which in this case, eBay. But there are also some products that, or some stores that are linked really well with Copilot, which means you can just purchase the item directly on Copilot. Now, let me try maybe another example. There are some stores that are connected well. I think Newegg is one example. Okay, I want to get a 4K webcam for my computer, and I want you to give me some options in newegg.com. Okay, newegg.com. Right, let's send a message. Now just wait for it. Most stores, I would say, they're still asking you to just do the purchase on the website, but some others like Newegg can actually let you just purchase the item directly on the platform. And there you go. So there is this buy button, but as you can see, there is no external icon, which means if I click that button, now I can buy this webcam directly via Copilot. But of course, I have to enter my shipping address. I have to enter my payment info. It could be PayPal, Stripe, or even maybe credit or debit card, depending on which method that you prefer. And after that, you can pay directly. And well, after that, you can see the items that you have purchased via the feature by navigating to this shopping feature. And in this case, I don't have any order, and I don't think it's reasonable for me to purchase the item because, again, the feature shopping, this Copilot Shopping is only available in the USA. So a lot of these products will only ship to US customers. Otherwise, I guess I have to wait a bit longer, and hopefully this will be available in some local markets. But yeah, that's basically how you can use the new shopping feature in Copilot, where you can do research and you can even track the price. You can even pay directly in Copilot. So I guess that's really cool. It's making the process of buying to be seamless, and in general experience to be a lot more convenient. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.